Warning: the following video contains scary images and disturbing violence. If that affects you, you might not want watching further. Hey guys, it's Al, back again with another video! So today we're reacting to a new Rainbow High episode. I am so excited. Here we go. I should turn this up.
So you're sort of like a spokesperson.
I'm so excited. What happened?
We interrupt your programming.
What?
A national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
What the frick? Very funny, Saul. Very funny. You got me.
This message is transmitted at the request of the United States Office of Civil Defense. The North American Aerospace Defense Command detected 3 ICBMs launched from North Korea. The first missile is expected to reach the Los Angeles, California area within 2 hours. The second missile is expected to reach Chicago, Illinois in 3 hours.
That's where I am!
The third missile is expected to reach New York City.
In case you know, I was on vacation in Chicago. I'm on vacation in Chicago.
Mile radius of these cities is at the risk for significant fallout. Anyone, which is most of the United States, in this area needs to seek the nearest fallout shelter. Bring a battery-powered radio, bottled water, canned foods, and other basic survival items. All TV and radio stations in the United States have ceased normal programming. President Trump is currently
What does Trump have to do with this?
to your location and will be speaking soon.
This isn't the episode. I'm scared.
Please stand by. Information for your local area will be announced shortly.
Okay. What's that?
A civil danger warning has been issued for the entire state of
Oh, there it is.
parts of northern Kentucky. These areas are within a mile radius of Chicago, Illinois, where the ICBM will be detonated in approximately 3 hours. Fallout will reach the Cincinnati area within 1 hour of detonation. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks.
What?
Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. If you cannot find a fallout shelter in your area, local authorities will lead you to one. Please stand by for further information.
What was that? Oh my god, you haunted?
The United States military has responded to North Korea's actions. The United States military has responded to
Okay, this isn't funny anymore, Saul. You got me.
North Korea within 3 hours.
Another one? What's happening to the world now?
This message is being broadcast by the Department of Defense of the Republic. At 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple unidentified objects were confirmed to have entered Earth's atmosphere. It is speculated that these objects are of extraterrestrial origin. The broadcast will quiet at this time for your safety. Continue to carry out the following instructions.
What? What happened? What happened to the TV? Okay, this isn't funny anymore. This isn't funny. What's happening? I'm afraid to get up. I am so scared. What happened to the TV? Bart? What's happening right now? This is not funny anymore. This is not funny. Okay. So, okay. Warning? I thought we were getting... I can't say from... It's a family video. Yes, I just broke the fourth wall. Technically not. Oh. Bard? Is that you? You're scaring me, Bard. What are you doing to me? What's happening? Okay. Okay. I'm just doing a ritual. Get the devil out of here. Saul, this isn't funny anymore. What's happening right now? It's getting pretty scary. Okay. I can tolerate this. But not what's happening in the background. Oh my! Ah! Is that Neptune the turtle with eyes? No! Ruggy, you are my worst nightmare. Ah! This is not funny. This is not funny. What's happening? Another VHS?